Hello friends, my name is Sunil Bambani from Realty Canvas, and today we will discuss about the upcoming DLF Phase 6. In this video, we will cover the total number of sectors that DLF Phase 6 is coming and what is going to be the location, what is going to be the growth story, and what is the offering from DLF on these sectors. So let's discuss about the sectors first. DLF Phase 6 is coming in sector 74A, 75A, 75, 76 and 77. Here in these sectors, DLF is making an ecosystem of residential, commercial, office space and other retail units. So like DLF has made Cyber City 1 in 2003, the total area of Cyber City 1 is approximately 100 acres. Here, DLF is coming up with Cyber City 2 with an approximate area of 350 acres plus. So basically, it will be 3.5x of the earlier Cyber City and approximately 10 lakh jobs are expected to come here. Here, American Express is already there. So DLF has made a build-to-suit campus for American Express wherein approximately 18,000 employees of American Express are already there. Similarly, we are expecting more campuses like this to be coming on this Cyber City 2. Also by 2030, company is expecting to double their rental income. So we are expecting a lot of more opportunities coming in this area. So imagine a retail, office space and commercial development of approximately 350 acres at a single place. This is going to be the biggest development of Gurgaon. So now let's talk about the residential development. Residential development company is making in Privana series. Like earlier, DLF launched Privana South and then Privana West was launched. And now we're expecting very soon company will be launching Privana North as well. So here Privana South was launched approximately 18 months ago. These were all 4-bedroom apartments of approximately 3,500 square feet. Ground plus 40 stories was the height of the project and it was spread in 21 acres. Then company launched Privana West, which was 11 acres of site. Again, same size apartments of 3,500 square feet, all 4 BHK apartments with a ground plus 40 floors of height. In Privana North is expected to be 22 acres. This is going to be a ground plus 50 floors of development. This is going to be the tallest development of DLF so far. This is going to be an upmarket project where the apartment sizes are also bigger. They're coming up with somewhere around 3,900 square feet, again 4 BHK and 7,400 square feet of duplex apartments as well. Later, DLF will be coming up with more phases in the Privana series as well. And this is going to be a massive development of 160 acres. In Privana North, it is expected to be having 6 towers and a 15 acres of central green with man-made lakes. So we can very well compare this with DLF Phase 5. Like Privana South is on the other side of the road. It was launched in the very starting. So we can compare it with the facilities and the amenities of Blair on DLF 5. And Privana West, North and maybe the next phase, whichever they'll be coming up, can be considered as Aralias, Magnolias and Camellias of that area. Again, they are facing that golf course and these apartments are also facing that 10,000 acres of forest reserve where leopard trail is there. This approximately 10,000 acres of forest reserve where leopard trail is there. This is the largest of North India. I mean, I would like to say largest greens of North India, and this is going to remain like this forever. So all these apartments which are facing this particular green reserve, they'll have a same view forever. So let's understand the location and connectivity also for this area. All these sectors are very close to NH8. They are very close to Dwarka Expressway once the Cloverleaf is done now, which is already done and is operational. So Dwarka Expressway is again not more than 5 minutes, and from there we can reach airport also in 25 to 30 minutes. It's a very wide 150 meter of Dwarka Expressway. On the other side, Sona Road is quite close. I'll say again 5 to 7 minutes drive. On that Sona Road we have the Mumbai Expressway also. So again that comes in the vicinity, and again the golf course road is again 10 minutes from this location. Also, there is a proposed elevated corridor which will later on connect this entire DLF Phase 6 with the current DLF Phase 4 and 5. And we are expecting approximately 15 to 20 minutes drive from this phase to the older phases. All in all, a very good connectivity of this area from almost all the relevant locations of Gurgaon. So to sum up, 300 acres plus of retail, commercial and office space development by the name of Cyber City 2, approximately 160 acres of residential development, high-rise apartments, man-made lakes, next to 10,000 acres of forest greens, and very close to SPR, very close to NH8, very close to Global City, very easy drive to the airport, and very close to Sona Road, Mumbai Expressway, and Golf Course Extension Road as well. DLF is not making apartments, they are making an entire ecosystem here, which we all are going to benefit later on. So in case you want to discuss further about these particular investments, or you would like to go for a site visit, you can connect with us on the numbers given below, and then we may connect for further discussions.